Dear students, before starting our lesson on preposition, let's have a look at a wedding invitation card. The card gives us the information on the day, date, time, year, and venue of the wedding, isn't it? Did you all notice that it is giving us the information of marriage of the lovely couple as well as about the calendar and a clock, right? বিয়াৰ নিমন্ত্ৰণী পত্ৰখনে আমাক দৰা কইনাৰ লগতে কেলেণ্ডাৰ আৰু ঘড়ীটোলৈও মনত পেলাই দিছে কেনেকৈনো because the marriage invitation card has on it the day, date, time, year and venue of the wedding. Let's see. Today we will discuss about the uses of prepositions to express number of relationships including time, location, manner, quality, purpose, state and condition. On, at, in are the prepositions used to express the relation of noun or pronoun with time, and we term this as preposition of time. নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়, দেশ, সৰু ঠাই, সৰু নগৰ বুজাবলৈ at ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়. For example, I shall meet you at 6 a.m. On নিৰ্দিষ্ট দিন, সময় নহয় বুজোৱা ক্ষেত্ৰত on বহে. The school will remain closed on January. মন কৰিবলগীয়া কথা এটা হ'ল যে hours, minutes, seconds আমি ক্লকত পাওঁ. So ক্লকৰ পৰা আমি টাইমৰ ইনফৰমেশ্যন যেতিয়া পাওঁ then we use at preposition. And calendar for a month, day, date, year, etc. paum. There we use in. Since, for, and ago are the prepositions which tells us about time. Since a homoyor muhurto point of time bujai, for a past, present, or future tense or khetrot homoy hima bujai. Ago past tense or দুটা verb একোটা বাক্যত থাকিলে নিকট অতীত near past বুজোৱাটোত ago use হয়. For example, the school has been closed since Monday. The school is closed for a month. He reached home 3 hours ago. Preposition of place. Preposition of place expresses the relationship of noun or pronoun with location or point. ডাঙৰ চহৰ, ৰাজ্য, দেশ আদিৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত in use হয়. And at, on, in, over, under, above, below, in front of, behind, besides, between, near, among, etc. are the prepositions which tells us of place. For example, she came here at 5 p.m. There are mangoes in the basket. We will meet at canteen in the college. Divide the sweets between the boys, etc. Preposition of direction. Preposition of direction expresses the relationship of noun or pronoun with direction. ভিতৰত বুজালে in আৰু ভিতৰলৈ গতি কৰা বুজালে into use হয়. To, towards, into, up, down, through, along, over, off, out of. For example, the cat jumped over the wall. He threw a ball into the river. Other uses of preposition expresses the relationship like purpose, state, manner of noun or pronoun. For, from, with, by shows us the relationship of noun or pronoun. For shows purpose, period or duration, unit, price, cost, etc. উদ্দেশ্য, মূল্য আৰু কাৰণ বুজোৱাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি for use কৰোঁ. She was awarded for her excellence. Purpose, the man died of cholera. Cause, I bought the book for ₹500. Price. From tells source of something or origin. বুজাবলৈ আমি from use কৰোঁ। The Brahmaputra rises from the Himalayas. A thing of beauty is a joy forever is a quotation from John Keats. With shows company or association, tools, feelings, sensations, etc. যাৰ দ্বাৰা বা যিহেৰে কাৰ্য কৰা হয় আৰু তাৰ আগত with বহে। For example, I am writing with a pen, tool used. I am happy with her feelings. By preposition is used to show means, method, deadline and doa বুজাবলৈ আমি by use কৰোঁ। কৰ্তা, agent of the work, সময়সীমা আদিৰ কথা বুজাবলৈ by use কৰা হয়। For example, send the letter by post means I go to school by bus transportation. I want a project to be submitted by tomorrow. Deadline. The painting was done by M.F. Hussain. Dua. I tried to explain the most common relations indicated by prepositions with the help of examples. Hope you understood. Thank you.